In this video, I want to show you 6 free courses that you can take and do today that are guaranteed to make you rich. In fact, I took one of these courses and this is 10,000 rands, which I earned for getting a job that I learned how to do from one of these courses. 5 days later, when I completed that same job, I received another 15,000 rands, which brings the total to 25,000 rands. If you're not from South Africa, 25,000 rands is around $1,100, somewhere there. And I earned this from something that I learned from a free course. And that's money that I earned from doing a 5-day job using the skills that I learned from one of these courses, which I'll reveal to you shortly. Now, I do want to mention that I do have a website where I actually have got free courses and some paid courses. It's called yourvarsity.com. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. You can go and check it out, and perhaps maybe you might find a course which is exactly what you're looking for right now. Before I reveal to you these 6 different courses that you can do today to make you rich, if you like making money online, please show your support for this video by hitting the like button. And also leave me a comment mentioning which city and country you're watching this from. And make sure to include your favorite emoji in the comments and stand the chance to win one of my courses for free. I'm going to be giving away one of the courses that are on my website for absolutely free to one person who is going to comment and leave the best comment. It can be a comment about anything. I just want to see how creative you are. And I'm going to announce the winner of this competition in the next video that I'm going to share in the next few days. Now, the first course that can help you to get rich is a website design course. Personally, website design has been one of the best ways that I've earned money online in the past 9 years of my life. I've made thousands of dollars online through website design, and I've actually shared some of my results on this YouTube channel. You can check out my other videos. But the way that I learned website design was by doing free courses that I watched on YouTube. I'd also joined some Facebook groups where there were other website designers, and I'd go in there and I'd ask them questions, helping me to learn website design and become a website designer, learning how to find clients, how to charge for website design, until I got to the point where I'm at right now, where I can make thousands of dollars every single month by just designing websites for different companies. Now, rather than giving you multiple YouTube links to different videos that I personally watch to learn website design, I've gone ahead and created a full website design course, and you can check it out right here, or look for the link in the description of this video, and it will teach you every single thing that I know about how to build websites. And the best part about the method that I show you is that you don't have to go to school to learn how to do coding. You don't have to have previous experience, maybe in something else like graphic design or computer programming, but a complete beginner can start learning how to build websites using a no-code website builder, which I will show you in that video training. So make sure that you watch that video straight after watching this video so that you can start learning how to build websites for yourself. Now, just to show you a quick hack, if you want to verify the things that I'm talking about, whether it's possible to actually make money from them, you can actually use this website, which is called Upwork.com. It's a website where freelancers from around the world actually register on the website to present their services to different people from around the world who need their services. For example, I just spoke about website design right now. If I come to the search option here and I search for website design, Upwork is going to show you different people from around the world who are actually offering the service of website design. Like, as you can see, this guy is from the United Kingdom. And then there's this lady, as you can see, her location is India. And just look how much money she has actually earned from website design. Over $100,000 living in India, offering website design. If I scroll down again, here's another lady who lives in Bangladesh, and she has also made over $100,000. So you can do the same thing for all these other courses that I'm going to talk about. You can come to Upwork.com and actually check how much are people actually earning, or are they actually people around the world that actually earn money from what I'm talking about. The second free course that you can do is in SEO, which is short for search engine optimization. To show you what SEO is, if you just go to Google and search for anything, like any type of company that you are looking for, like I'm just using the example of website design since I was talking about that. But if I say something like website designer near me, you'll notice that there are these different websites that pop up here. First and foremost, you're going to see these ones which are written sponsored. I'll talk about that later. These are companies that have actually paid Google so that their companies appear at the top of the search results. But then you will notice these other ones that appear from the bottom, from somewhere here in the middle going down. These are all different companies that are using SEO, or search engine optimization, which basically means that you position or you set up your website in a certain way such that it appears on the front page of Google. If I scroll down all the way here, you'll see that there are many different other websites that keep on appearing. The ones that appear at the top are the ones that get the most customers, because most people are very impatient and they're not going to be searching all the way down here to find exactly what they're looking for. Plus, you'll notice that there are other pages here. There's page 2, page 3, there's page 10. In fact, there's up to page 100 or page 1000. No one is going to go onto all those pages to look for a website designer. They go on the first page. So search engine optimization is about helping businesses to appear on this first page of Google so that, like, can you see here, it says about 1.5 billion results. These are 1.5 billion websites that have something to do with website design. The ones who will get the most business are the ones that appear on the front page. So there's a free course that you can learn. I'm going to put the link in the description. It's from this website, which is called learningseo.io. It's totally crazy. This is a course that will show you exactly how to do SEO. And what I like about this is that they made it as a roadmap. In other words, there's step 1, there's step 2, there's step 3. These are all the steps that you can follow to do SEO. And what they have done is that they not only just give you the information, but they also link to some of the best articles that you can find online that will teach you more on SEO. Like if I click here where it says Introduction to SEO, it brings me to this page where I can get all these individual courses about the same thing, but then they go in depth to different levels. For example, this is a guide that was created by Google. The best people who can teach you about SEO are Google themselves. But then you also notice, like, one of my favorites is this one, which is called The Beginner's Guide to SEO. It's another complete course that personally I am doing that's teaching you everything about SEO, and you can get access to it right from this website here. So please make sure that you check it out. And once again, if you want to see how much people are actually earning by doing SEO, just go to Upwork, type in SEO services here, and see the different people that are earning and how much they're actually earning from it. The next free course that you can do that will help you to get rich is doing drop shipping courses, or in particular, there's this one that I'm going to also link in the description of this video, where it's a beginner's guide to dropshipping in 2024. As you can see, it's an 18-hour course, and this guy called Jordan Bound has made millions of dollars doing dropshipping. And he has actually put together this training that will help you to get started with dropshipping. Everything that he has learned about dropshipping, he covers it in this one video, and you can watch it. Of course, you don't have to watch it in 18 hours straight, but you can watch it maybe for about an hour today, then you pause it, then tomorrow when you've got time again, you can continue watching it. But basically what I'm trying to show you is that you don't have to go and find a $10,000 course or a $15,000 course that's going to teach you dropshipping, when there's a millionaire right here who can actually teach you how to do dropshipping the way that he has done it, and you're going to be learning for absolutely free. But also I want to mention that especially for the people who live in Africa, most of the content that you will find out there, it's mostly designed for people who live in America and in the UK. Because of that reason, I am actually working on my own dropshipping course. I'm partnering with another person who is based here in South Africa to present to you one of the best trainings you will ever get about how to do dropshipping. One of my friends has made millions of rands through dropshipping, and we're teaming up together to present that course to you. So if you're interested in finding out more about that dropshipping course, I'm going to put a link that's going to be titled Dropshipping in the description of this video. You can click on it to find out more details, and you can actually register so that I can send you an email when the course is now ready and it's available. The next high income course that you can do is one of Google Ads. You're going to be learning how to run adverts on Google. To show you an example of that, you already saw it earlier on, like when I was searching for website designer on Google. These websites that appear at the top that are written sponsored, these are businesses that are actually paying Google so that their websites appear at the top. They use Google Ads. Now, there are so many different companies out there in the world that are being started every single day, and a lot of them have never actually heard of Google Ads. You can actually learn Google Ads, and then you can start offering Google Ads services to all these different businesses, helping them to appear on the first page of Google, especially in their local areas. Now, Google itself actually gives you a Google Ads training, and you can actually sign up for it on skillshopwithgoogle.com. Once again, I'll put the link in the description of the video, but then there's this ads course that you can come here and sign up for. So you can just simply click here on the arrow, and then it's going to ask you a couple of questions so that you can actually register. But remember, it's for absolutely free. Then you go through the training, and then they actually can give you certification when you're done. And then it's really that simple. You become someone who's certified to be running adverts for Google using Google itself. The next course that you can do that will help you to get rich is in copywriting. Now, copywriting itself is a very broad topic. For example, they can be copywriting for magazines, they can be copywriting for blogs, for emails, for social media content. But today I want to show you this type of copywriting, which is specifically for writing emails. HubSpot Academy, which is one of the best academies out there that gives you free and paid courses, they actually have got this course here, which is email marketing certification course. So you can actually get certified and become a professional email writer. Now, let me tell you something. Some of the biggest companies that you know in the world, they all need email marketing writers or copywriters. Why? Because one of the best ways that you can keep in touch with your customers is through emails. Now, the challenge that most businesses have is that they are good at running their businesses or they are good at selling products, but they have got no clue what exactly they should be writing in emails, especially if you're going to be sending out emails on a daily basis. And that's where a copywriter comes in. You are the one who's going to come here and learn the course, understand how copywriting works for email marketing, and then you're going to be writing emails for all these different companies out there. So you just simply come here to the website, register for free, and then you start doing the course, get your certification when you're done, and then you start looking for jobs out there that need someone to work as a copywriter. And then the next high income course is that of sales, or you'll be doing a course in sales. By sales, I mean that you'll be learning how to sell stuff, and then that's how you're going to be making money. Now, sales is actually one of the oldest professions in the world, and there are different types of sales. There might be that sales rep that you know that stands by the door at your local clothing company, or there might be someone who does sales through the call. They give you a call, and then they try and sell you whatever product they're selling. There are so many different types of sales. And so there are two websites that I want to show you. The first one is this one, which is called Alison.com, where you can actually find free courses about almost anything that you can think of. So if you just come and search for sales and marketing there, you're going to find different sales courses that you can actually do. Just go through the different titles and choose the one that makes sense for the type of sales job that you're trying to get or create for yourself. Then there's Coursera.org, which is another great platform where you can come and find different courses. Some of the courses are paid for, but most of them are actually free. So just come in here and look for the course that's relevant to what you want to learn, choose your course, and then you start learning. So just to give you a bit of advice, it's not enough for you to just watch courses and learn and then you do nothing. You need to be someone who is an implementer of the things that you actually learn. As you are learning sales, one or two of the modules will actually start teaching you how to find clients. And that's one of the most important things that you need to focus on, mastering how to find clients for yourself. Because you don't want to be someone who just goes and gets a job because someone is offering the job. But then you will actually make more money if you focus on getting multiple clients and they're all paying you to work as a freelancer. Freelancing is one of the things that I personally have done over the years that have helped me to make thousands of dollars online. And if you want to know how to get started as a freelancer in this year, here's a video that you can check out right now that will show you step by step everything that you need to know about how to start freelancing this year.